Hey everyone, back on the 1958 Corvette. This is just gonna be a quick video on what the hell is that wiring. I don't believe these are factory, but I know I found in the trunk my bubble wrap, but found another one of these still with the cardboard insert. I'm assuming my dad was doing some customizing because the other side does not have one. So I'm just gonna take off this panel, find out if this wiring is connected to anything or not, because as I see from this wiring, it's got a 2 lead, so it'll be a power and a ground, but I don't see anything coming through the frame. So let's just open this up real quick. It looks like it's 3 Phillips heads. I'm not trying to knock anyone's version or vision of customizing. I am just tasked with prepping this car to give to its new owner upon selling it. And I can't accurately describe everything until I know what is what. All right, oh, look at that. So the wiring just fell off. It wasn't connected to anything. I'll vacuum that out. This car's been sitting in a garage since 1980, and it has not moved since 1985. What did we move there? All right, so it looks like this is a 2-prong lead. Yeah, so what I'll do is I'm gonna leave this. I'm just gonna have the wire, I'm gonna make sure it doesn't interfere with the window and the mechanism, because it does roll up. It does roll up. I know it rolls up because I had to put it up when I transported it. Have the top on. It needs a little lubrication. But yeah, I'm gonna vacuum all in here, make sure there's no $800 bills in here. There were supposed to be keys in the car. Did not find any keys in the car. But, you know, for a car that's sat for millions of years, bound to find some trash. Bubblegum wrappers, other stuff like that. So, we'll just vacuum this up real quick. If I could get to my vacuum. Alright, just one final check to make sure there's no money or keys or anything valuable. Just gonna poke through, see if I see anything metal. Feels like it's just looks like little leaves and stuff like that. There's not a lot of stuff in here. I guess I can go handheld. Should probably do it anyways, just so I can show you the condition. But why don't I vacuum it out and then we'll look at the inside of the doors. Okay. Power on. Handheld. So I mean, the next buyer may not be able to see this car in person, but I'm trying to represent it best as I can. But it's a rust-free car. It's been stored inside. Not to say there isn't surface rust or things like that, but doors are clean. They're solid. Put my camera on. Let me see if I can help this. yeah, what I'm gonna do is put this panel back on using the 3 screws. And I have to, yeah, 1, 2, 3. And just for my own, I'm just going to clip these 2 wires in case someone wants to use this. Get rid of this nasty mess. And then I'll do is I'll probably just tape it up like this. And you know, the buyer wants to know, I'll say, hey, just watch this video. It basically goes to this light. If you want to use it or not, completely up to you. So let's put this back. Access panel, which is metal on a door. Let's see. There we go. No? Yes? Yeah. 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 I do have the door skins. They're in probably what you would consider terrible to pretty terrible condition. I do have the rest of the interior. I took it apart when I was traveling with the car. So I'll be cleaning that up and putting that back in, but to document the floors and all those things beforehand, do a proper photo shoot to show the condition of the car with video. But this is just the behind the scenes. Let everyone know what you're getting. And the good old window crank sound. Yeah, little WD-40, it'll be fine. So yeah, that's it. Let me just tape this up. Somehow, zip tie. Can't put a zip tie. I'm a zip tie type of person. It's all for a good cause. I'm just jabbering. Alright, I'll just do this. And I'm using white because, just like in the other videos, using white tape to signify that I've been here. So that you know it's me. That. Snip, snip. With the wrong pliers. Because I am detail orientated. Here we go. Snip. I'll just keep that to the side. Show the next buyer. If you decide to use it for this project or something else, or just throw it in the trash, at least you'll have a set. They're kind of cool. I, you know, it is what it is. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.